In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change the refresh rate on a Windows 11 PC to get the best performance out of your monitor. Start by opening the Settings app. Now navigate to the option system. Head over to the option display. Here you're going to find the option advanced display. Click on that. In the top right corner, you will see a drop-down menu where you can select the monitor you want to adjust the refresh rate for. Then under choose the refresh rate, click the drop-down arrow and select the refresh rate you prefer. Typically, you will want to set it to the highest available number for the best performance. If you're unable to change the refresh rate from this menu, you can also adjust it through your graphics processor. For example, if you have an Intel graphics card, open the Intel graphics software, or if you have an Nvidia card, open the Nvidia app. From there, you can adjust the refresh rate as well. There are two ways you can change the refresh rate for your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.